Smart Money Nation, what's going on? I'm back at you with another great money making video. All right. Today we're gonna talk about Cornershop. All right. I'm sure a lot of people don't know about Cornershop. That's why I'm excited to kind of divulge this information to you guys. This is an offline money making opportunity. So this is not online, definitely offline, but a great opportunity at hand. Okay, so before we get started, per usual, if you're not a part of the nation, please hit the red subscribe button and join us. All right, join us on our journey, and you will know what journey it is. Just watch a few videos. If you are already subscribed, please hit the notification bell so that way you're notified anytime I go live or drop a video like this one. That's crucial. All right, this is very important. Let's get started. Let's get started. I don't want to waste too much time. We're talking about Cornershop. All right. So Cornershop is a platform by Uber for people to buy groceries, right? So to get their groceries delivered to them. I think maybe like over a year ago, I knew that Amazon had deliveries that you can get your groceries delivered from Whole Foods. If there's Whole Foods around you, it's a grocery store that is now bought by Amazon, owned by Amazon, that offers deliveries for free. Like, so your groceries you can buy it, shop for it online, and get it delivered at home. I know Walmart offers that and has been offered that for a long time now. Now Uber has gotten into this space of delivering groceries, and it is booming. Okay, so I know a few people doing this already. This kind of reminds me of the early days of Uber. I think back in 2016, 2017, 2018, there was a time where, as an Uber driver, you were able to make $400 to like $500 a day. Because of the incentives they have, and at the time them trying to take over the market, they wanted all the drivers, so they were paying a lot of money. And I think this is where we are at when it comes to Cornershop right now. I know people making well over $2,000 a week on Cornershop doing grocery deliveries. So, this is very similar to Uber. It is an app you can turn on and off anytime, right? So whenever you want to work, you can turn it on. Whenever you don't feel like working, you can turn it off. And it's pretty much self-explanatory. You basically do grocery shopping for people, so that you'll get a list of grocery items that somebody would want. You'll go into the grocery store, you will get those items. They'll give you a prepaid debit card that you pay for the items with. If it's not there, you call them, hey, I can't, it's not available. Do you want something, an alternative? So on. So it's a pretty simple task. It does have the not complicated but tedious task of having to go through grocery lines, and just that grocery store environment. It's a little annoying, but if you can get past that, if you could throw on some headphones, listen to a podcast, watch your favorite YouTuber tell you a little more ways on how to get more online and offline money opportunities like myself, you can get through the day pretty quickly, right? So this is a great opportunity. Like I said, you can make over $2,000 a week right now using this opportunity. Onboarding takes less than 2 weeks. I will leave a link in the description below for you to go ahead and sign up if you wanted to sign up and get started with them. We can go through the breakdown of exactly how it works for drivers, right? So here is FAQs. I'll leave the link to the FAQs below too. They'll let you know exactly like what questions you have. Everything will be answered. Sign up. It's pretty easy and quick. And let me give you a quick picture of the earnings. So I went, I kind of snuck into the onboarding process and got some crucial information for you guys. Here is the breakdown of the pay structure with Cornershop. I'm sure you're not gonna really find this anywhere else, but I did get the scoop. So the base picking price is $225. This will make a lot more sense as you go through the actual onboarding and the platform. It doesn't make too much sense to me yet, but what I do know is I know solid people right now making well over $2,000 doing this, every day, right? So, they have their picking price, they have per accepted order, per product, 30 cents. For everything you pick, 40 cents for every 22 pounds, 55 cents per mile. That's just to the drive to the store. And then marketing fee, 25 cents, base delivery, $225. So they got all these fees that you're gonna actually get paid out for every time you actually do one. And then from what I understand, the tips are crazy. So they give out good, crazy tips on this platform. So it is an opportunity, I would say, if you are looking for opportunity, even part-time, to make some side income, I would highly, highly recommend signing up with Cornershop and getting started as one of their delivery drivers. It is probably a better opportunity than, Uber, DoorDash, Uber Eats, and all that stuff. I think this is probably the most lucrative opportunity right now. They do have waiting periods, so if it's, packed in your city, you might have to wait, a couple weeks. I know when I went through the process, they had me wait, I think like 3 weeks or something like that before they gave me the onboarding situation. I haven't did it yet, but it won't hurt to sign up. I will leave the link to sign up with Cornershop by Uber in the description below. So click the link, sign up, get started with them. Let me know how it goes for you guys. I would love to talk to one of you guys regarding how this went for you. And that's it for today. I will be back tomorrow with another great money-making method to share with you guys. As always, if you like this video, if you found somewhat valuable, please share it with somebody you do value. If you're not subscribed, hit the red subscribe button. And please like the video, share the video. I will see you guys tomorrow.